Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think IS channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is adaptive radiation in context of evolution. The evolution which result in production of new adaptive types through a process of population fragmentation and genetic divergence is known as macroevolution. This results in splitting of a population of a species in two different groups and several subgroups, each exhibiting changes in definite adaptive direction. This phenomenon is known as adaptive radiation. Definition by Buettner Janusz, Buettner, Buettner, Janusch, Janusz. Rapid increase in number and types of any evolving groups of organism into several distinct eco-niches to which each particular group is adaptive particularly is called adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation is the spread of species by way of evolving into progressively distinct types of organisms. For example, adaptive radiation of reptiles into mammal, avian, species, borrowers, and arboreal, arboreal. During Paleocene epoch, cold-blooded reptiles like dinosaurs could not adapt and therefore got extinct, but mammals evolved into different types to adjust to new environment. Primates took to trees, arboreal. Primates took to trees, arboreal. Bat to air, avian. Whales become adapted to water bodies. Carnivores became adapted to hunting. Rodents for burrowing, etc. Reptiles, borrowers, example rat. Water bodies, example whales. Mammals, example carnivorous. Avian, example bat. Arboreal, example primates. Methodology to study adaptive radiation. First is morphological features of fossil. Second is comparative anatomy of living forms. Mechanism of adaptive radiation. First, it operates above the species level and result in formation of new genera or family or order. Second is the change in organization occurs due to sudden mutation of large size which are named macromutation. Third, micromutation occur in a group of individuals which have entered a new adaptive zone free from competition. Features of adaptive radiation. First, adaptive radiation results in evolutionary changes. Second, adaptive radiation produces group of especially adapted animals among divergent stock. Third, adaptive radiation leads to specialization in particular direction which results in over specialization and ultimately extinction because over specialization forms are unable to modify when they enter a new adaptive zones. Conclusion. Thus, adaptive radiation is one of the basic patterns of evolution. It reduces competition, helps in better exploitation of resources, and produces new diversity among organisms. Thank you very much.